Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Generative Fill in Adobe Firefly in 2023. Generative Fill is an incredible feature that leverages artificial intelligence to create a unique and visually stunning patterns and textures. So in this video, we'll explore how to use the Generative Fill in Adobe Firefly to enhance your designs. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser this could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type Adobe Firefly and hit the enter button. That will take you right here, so make sure to go and click on the first link. As you can see, meets Adobe Firefly, now in Photoshop. So Firefly is our creative generative AI agent. It just landed in Adobe Photoshop, and the way you create it will never be seen. So of course, there's some AIs in Adobe. At Adobe, as you can see, if you click here, there is the Sensei, Generative AI, Firefly, all ethics, innovative in research, all in Creative Cloud, all in Documents, or all in Experience Cloud. So of course, we have here in products, as you can see, there's Experience Cloud, Documents Cloud, and Creative Cloud. So if you want to explore Firefly, make sure to go and click here. And once you do so, of course, it's just in beta at the moment. And of course, you can generate some text to image, some generative fill or text effects, and generative recolor. But in this 3D to image and extending image, it's still in exploration at the moment. Of course, you can even get inspired, by some images here if you want to start by. And as you can see, there's something in exploration, still in exploration. So you can go and watch this video if you want, and you can even see what they are going to do. You can even here find frequently asked questions by the people if you want to get more informations about this Firefly or Adobe Firefly. Of course, if you go back here, you can simply go and click on Explore the new Photoshop. If you want, of course, to know more or better about this Adobe Firefly, make sure to scroll down and read all the information necessarily here. Of course, you will find a lot of information. So simply for us, we'll just go and click at Explore the new Photoshop. Of course, once we click on it, as you can see, they'll take us to another page. Here, we'll be able to go and start our free trial. So simply we'll have to go and click on it. As you can see, the free trial, and here we'll have to go and choose first of all a subscription for ourselves. So there's the annual paid monthly, as you can see, which is here at $20 or $21 per month. There is this annual prepaid which you can pay actually $240 per year, and no refund, of course, if you cancel after 14 days. And as you can see here, fee applies if you cancel after 14 days. So just make sure, or just keep that in mind. And as you can see, there's even this monthly option, cancel anytime and no fee. So if you take this, you will not have any problem. And of course, if you want to get your free trial, make sure to click on this option or to add this option. As you can see, add the 7-day free trial to Adobe Stock and get up to 10 standard assets, and you can cancel risk-free before your trial ends. And of course, if you won't be charged, you will have to pay, of course, $20 or $30 per month after your trial ends. So of course, if you want to click and continue, and of course there is the plan of individuals, teams, and even students and teachers. So make sure to go and choose whatever suits you. For me, I'm just going to choose individual, and of course you can use it in Photoshop, or you can use this Creative Cloud all apps if you want to. So make sure to go and choose whatever suits you. You can over and click, or also click here and see all plans and price. And if you click there, as you can see, of course, you'll have here to choose like where are you living at, and you can choose the language as an example, and you'll be good to go. Sorry, let me just go back to get into English, and here we are. So here you'll be able to see all the plans that's here. So simply you can go and select whatever suits you, then simply click on buy now, and you'll be good to go. So for us, let's just go back to get our free trial here. And as you can see, let's just go and select this, click add this, and of course, let's just say this, and I'm just going to choose the monthly as an example and click and continue. Here, of course, they are going to tell me that I should enter my email address, and that will be used to access all the Adobe products. So let me just go here and enter my email address as an example. gmail.com and hit continue. As simple as that. So as you can see, I will have to sign in to continue. So I'm just going to sign in into my account here. Let me just go and remove this at the moment. And of course, here you'll have to go and add your payment method. So of course, I'm just going to add a credit card as an example here. So let me just go and add my credit card for me. And once I'm done, I'm just going to click on agree and subscribe, and I'm going to be good to go. So as you can see, my free trial is started successfully. So I'll simply now have to go and start using this with my free trial, as simple as that. So as you can see, you can simply click on get started. And of course, you can use the account or the email here to access all your Adobe products and services. So I'm just going to click on get started right now. And as you can see, they are just going to take me into Adobe. And of course, from here, I'll be able to install it and do whatever name that it is. So I'm just going to put whatever it is and click on save. And of course, once it's downloaded, I'll be able to run it to install all the Adobe apps. For me, I already have the apps actually. So I'll just have some problems here as an example, but it's not going to be a big deal. So for me, I already have the apps, so it's not going to be a problem. But for you, of course, you'll have to go and click on install and a lot of other stuff. Of course, you can skip these questions if you don't want to. Of course, once it's installed, you will find it. This will finish, and of course, this will take a few minutes. So let's just wait a bit, and it will be good to go. So of course, once it's downloaded, there is now two ways to use the generative fill. The first option is just to go to the search and simply type Firefly. And once you click on it, this will open right away into your PC or your browser. And of course, from here, you'll be able to use the generative fill from here. Of course, there's other options as the text to image, text effects, and even generative recolor. So for us, we'll have to use this. And as you can see, we'll have to upload our image and use this option. If we don't want to use this, it's normal or simple. We can simply go to the app right here or to the Creative Cloud desktop. And of course, we will not use the normal Photoshop. We'll have to go to the Selects panel, go to Beta Apps, and make sure to go and download this last Photoshop Beta. It's going to be like this. And of course, make sure to download it and open it up. Of course, let me just go and click on open. For me, I already download it. And let's just wait once it's opened, of course. Of course, even the window, as you can see, it's different than the normal Photoshop. So, of course, this will have the generative fill option on it. So here, let's just go and click on new file, create. So simply, I'm just going to upload my image here as an example. I'm just going to upload this image. And here we'll be able to use this generative fill option or feature on this Firefly. So as you can see, this Adobe Photoshop includes the Adobe Firefly. So simply, once I select my image, I'll be able to select the subjects or remove the background. As an example, I just use this select subjects. It will take some time, maybe 10 seconds or something like that. As you can see, it selects the subjects on the image. Of course, instead of that, as an example, click on this select, I can remove the background. So simply, just remove the background here. And let's just wait a bit again. And as you can see, the background is removed. Now, as an example, I can go and add some backgrounds if I want. So simply, I'll have to go and select this white area. And as I can simply go and click on generative fill. So, of course, we'll go and select all the area of the image. And simply go and click on generative fill. And here we'll have to describe what you would like to generate, or feel free to leave this blank if you want. Of course, it's just English only, so make sure to have this in English. So let's say an example. I'm just going to type here space and the moon, and full moon, or fully white moon. Why not? And then let's simply click on generate, and let's just wait for it until it's generated. Of course, it should not take a lot of time. Once this bar is finished, we will find our background there, or the generative fill will generate for us what we need. So of course, this is the tool that you're gonna find using the Adobe Firefly and Adobe Photoshop, as you can see, which is the beta right here. So as you can see, let's just put our image at the top, and as you can see, this is going to be the background. We can even go and generate another one, and you can do your creativity now as you do in normal Photoshop. and you'll be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to use generative fill in Adobe Firefly in 2023. Of course, by importing your design, selecting the area, accessing the generative fill tool in the browser and even the app, and even you can customize the settings, previewing and refining the fill, like the fine tuning, the parameters, and even applying the fill and saving it. And of course, you can explore it if you want your design. Of course, you can harness the power of generative fill to create a unique and captivating visual experiments explore and let your creativity soar. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you enjoy this video, make sure to go and leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. So enjoy your Adobe Firefly journey, and I'll see you in the next video.